Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry 41st session, and I am organizing this session from the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Let us first of all pray to the Almighty that our organized self-employment ministry by truth and non-violence become act, and we all become self-employed government servant by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing on this table. Room number first we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Shiv Mandir and 175 crore Hindu Shiv Shakti Mandir. The Trishul and the vermilion mark, which woman vermilion mark, which is showing our father mother shadow of Shiv Shakti Mandir. Then room number 2, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Abhilasha Mandir, that is the chakra and the vermilion mark of woman, that is Vishnu Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi, blessing with our folded hand. Similarly, Shiv Shakti welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi live money with folded hand and flowers in room number 2. Room number 3, Brahma Saraswati, that is Chaturanand and Veena Pustak Dharani, and the 175 crore Hindu writers ISBN certificate. My Truth Only Trumps ISBN certificate is 8190186002X and copyright number is 954/03/COL. I have returned my book in 2001, 31st August, and in 6 Unborn Family on 16th February 2002. Since then, 6 unborn pair, those who follow me, are making the ideal like Durga Puja, Ram Puja, Krishna Puja, Brahma Puja, Adi Shakti Jagadamba unitedly, Shiv Shakti welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi live money, Brahma Saraswati law education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and her husband each united worship government treasury, 6 unborn family, and worshipping flower between 31st August to 11th September and 16th February to the 26th February, and then immersing the 6 unborn pair image in the Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Krishna all over India in reverse. Then room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, 12 Jyotir Mandir, which I have recommended, and 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir with our worship hand and Pushpanjali. Then room number 6, Hindu Varshkrit, 108 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, Rig Veda, Samveda, Atharveda, Yajurveda, and the 18th Puran, and all the Varshkrit of India, north, south, east, with the Mithila Varshkrit, part 1, part 2, and each united god and goddess, whatever rituals we are following from each god and goddess, men, women both. Pushpanjali and worship with hand, and the Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, that is Constitution of India, 26 January 1950, which we are following, and Parliament, Army, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat. 6 unborn family is coming raised, and we are uniting at Amit Kumar Jha Point. I have formed the Labour Party of India with Fist of the Hand in 2001, August 31st, on which I am trying to make the principle one united uniform principle of organized self-employment ministry by signaturing right of pension fundamental right, right of pension after 14 years for self-earning self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of his fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, self-earning self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of his fundamental right, and we should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed in a democratic state from 26 January 1950. For the equilibrium point understanding, I am putting the document of the Clement Attlee Independence Act, which has come on the 31st August 1946, and the 15-member interim government is formed at the center of Hindus. And then on 15th August 1950, Jawaharlal Nehru take over as Prime Minister and furled the flag at Lal Killa, and then 299 constitutional member is formed, which is making the constitution. Now we have to understand that we are the sons and daughters of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham in a democratic way. We are becoming self-employment government job by the fiscal credit swing, and between 30,000 above per month earner and 30,000 per month below earner, we have divided the vote proportion 70% and 30%, that is equal to 100%, because money judgment is very difficult in the private sector also and in the public sector also. Public sector mein we have the finance commission, all the documents, but in private sector it is difficult because only the income tax department is knowing how much what is earning. But my judgment of organized self-employment ministry, on which I am moving my concept with the Labour Party of India and fist of the hand with symbol from 31st August 2001 and in 6 unborn family 16 February 2002. As a president of Labour Party of India, I am trying to make this concept more clear so that we all can come together and make a organized self-employment documented path. We all are politicians, we all are industrialists. The raise of the 6th room of Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973607717. We can see the 6 rays are coming in our heart from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And we are 120 crore population, and in each state 10 crore, 11 crore, 15 crore, 22 crore according to our population we are. And our representative, democratic representative is Chief Minister, political party president, and the Council of Ministers in different state and the center. And our Prime Minister is elected one, and our President is indirectly elected one, and Governor is also indirectly elected one. We have to understand that we can adjust little and we can adjust the Labour Party concept in uniform manner, because we have to make ourselves self-employed government servant. Now first of all, we have to understand the 6th Rashtrapati Bhavan race, which is joining to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is 26 January 1951 Rashtrapati Bhavan. Means concept wise, the follower of the Shiv Puran, that is Shiv Mandir, Rashtrapati Bhavan we are putting. Follower of the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran putting in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Follower of the Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran, all the IITN books, doctor books, all the books, our Nobel Prize book and our Bharat Ratna book, and our all the books of Hindus who are living here book we are putting in there, ISBN Puran of modern times, and the all the women of India we are putting in the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes, and all the truth and non-violence of Varshit we are putting here, and all the constitutional gadget we are putting here, and we are making a point, Amit Kumarja point, Labour Party of India point, fist of the point, and on that basis we are moving with the fiscal credit table. In this way we are making a boundary of document from the 31st August 1946. If all is understanding this, if my message of Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Now we have to understand that we are in one room, we are located, we all are in 6 room, and one room we are located as devoted politician, and we have 750 central MPs of all political party and 4,000 MLAs all over state. 4,500 MLAs and MLC all over state. Similarly, we are the centrally Hindu of the central level, and we are having 750 industrial multinational corporation centrally located, and in that room 4,500 state government industrial people all over state located. Two profession we are seeing nationally. Third profession is educated one, Hindu scientist, Hindu lawyers, Hindu press reporter, editors. We are located in the third profession with the race, and on that basis we are working for the welfare of the Hindu. Fourth, we are located in the woman dham, that is Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, as a daughter-in-law, as a centrally woman, 750 centrally women and 4,500 state national women all over India. Fifth, we are located in the truth form. We are having our degrees and we are moving on the truth path, as 26 January 1950 path has been made. And sixth one is our government eye, democratic eye. Every 5 years we are making the election. Chief Minister and Prime Minister according to our will we are changing. Now let me very clear by the Labour Party fist of the hand concept that we are trying to make the constitutional validity on income work educational certificate. Now by this concept we are registering. We already have the Aadhaar card, we already have the PAN card, we already have the passport, we already have the photo election ID card. These four things our ancestors has already made and we have already made. Because I am also from 1975 as Amiteshwar Jha and Amit Kumar Jha. Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973-60717. And truth only terms I have written in 2001 for the employment problem. Now try to understand the concept, the constitutional validity on income, work and educational certificate, by which we are becoming self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, so on. 6 rays we are seeing. We are all attached to the center, our president house, main president house, 6th president house, which we have in the mandir form all over India. 175 crore into 1100 into 6, that is 1175 crore president house, and that is mandir in which we are living, and in house where our house is located all over state and all over India. Centrally we have our prime minister and we have our chief minister on the state level, and we are attached and we are happy that we have achieved. We have to understand the constitutional validity on income work. This is the new political welfare concept of direct welfare, where direct ministry and direct budget system is being attached, and we are becoming self-employed government job servant, because on that basis we will be able to make our life in the very great progress. So we have to understand that we have the different political party, like we all can join together on this basis, because in this 16.66%, 100% ownership is of all. Like suppose we are putting the Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Kailas Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Satya Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, the government democratic Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Truth Savior Rashtrapati Bhavan. All are moving according to property. We are settled and we are doing our work. No harm in that. If we want to adjust the Amitwad, that is Amiteshwar Jhavad, and that is the Amiteshwar Jha-ism or Amit Kumar Jha-ism, or Labour Party of fist of the hand, and we can work together, we can have this collaboration on this point. Because by the document method, if we are documenting and putting it the Supreme Court in by the words which we are giving, that the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate can occur, and we have our vote bank, and we have the confidence, because we have been working from 31st December 1885, and all the political party according to their date of birth they are working. As a Labour Party I am working from the 31st August 2001, and as 6 unborn family from 6 February 2002. So on that basis, on the document basis, we have already the members, and the document is already there. The mandir which we are seeing, it is from time immemorial. We can put in the form of 31st August 1946, because we are the sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, and automatically representatives are there, and we can immediately understand that 6 type of representatives already are there. We are joining on the document form. Our mouth is open because we are in all the profession working. We all want that everyone should develop, and this is possible by signing. So we can make like 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan into 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan, concentrated to 26 January 1950, which we have from the main, and 6 Governor House into 1 Governor House, concentrated into main. Our mouth is open and document is open in the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, room number 126. We can see this, that the 6 families are there. Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power family. Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita Krishna Radha, that is Prabhu Lakshmi family. Brahma Saraswati, that is law education family. Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-Vitu family, that is Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-Vitu family. And the each united Varshkrit God and Goddess family, that is Tooth Savior's family. And the government. We have our property. Try to understand the point. We have our qualification. And I have tried to put the different chambers for the different work, because we have 130 crore population, and no problem in the other types of, because they have only one sovereign, but we have the 6 type of unborn sovereign, and the sons and daughters automatically we can understand, because Ganesh, Skand, Kartikeya, Hanuman and other types of the sovereign power which we are worshipping, they are the sons and daughters of this. We are belonging from this 6 unborn family, and we have married, and we are children and daughters of this unborn. By accepting this concept, automatically we will become documented, and we will become self-employed government servant, and our work will be self-employed government servant. We will be attached to the organized self-employment ministry all over India, and organized self-employment ministry will have the account section, which will be directly connected to the chief minister and prime minister. 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs, multinational corporation, educationists, lawyer, editors, and the scientists, Hindu scientists, and the lawyers, and the women of India, and the truth and non-violence, and the government of India, and the others do not have problem, because one sovereign is there. So automatically our 6 sovereign will be in the hand of the chief minister and the prime minister, and we will move on the document part. In lieu of that, Labour Party fist of the hand, we are becoming the self-employed government servant, and we can fight the election in a more enthusiastic way, because we can have the united alliance, we can have the individual alliance, because we all have the capacity, we all are having the endeavor to do anything what we want. But understanding is required, because our father and mother are one. Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government. We are locals all over India, and we are working everywhere. Double work system will come. One work is uniform in organized self-employment ministry, because in organized self-employment ministry, whatever certificate we will show to the accountant, automatically we will have joining, and according to the chambers, like illiterate chamber, the signature known chambers, the 5th pass chambers, the 8th pass chambers, the 10th pass chambers, the 12th pass chambers, the graduation pass chambers, the post-graduation pass chambers, the delayed pass chambers, the MPhil pass chambers, and the PhD pass chambers, and double PhD pass chamber. We are becoming self-employment government servant under the direct ministry connection and direct budget connection. And if on the equilibrium level we all are united from 31st August 1946 by seeing the Clement document of Independence Act and putting the certificate of 15 members who has ruled our interim government first, and then our 299 members who had made our constitution, and all the MPs and MLAs and all the genius FICCI and the SOCM members all. Automatically we are putting the certificate. 6 family is coming. The 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of one family, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of other family, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of other family, third family, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of fourth family, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of fifth family, and 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari of sixth family. And automatically it is becoming 72. We have married, we are in married, we are putting in Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, and we are putting directly to the 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan, where Rajendra Prasad was giving signature for the ordinance money bill and the ordinary bill, and 10 years he did. So by the constitutional method, 6 rays are coming. Now we will put the 20 crore Aadhaar card to 1, because in those days, 31st August 1946, we were idealistic. We were not asking for the what we invested. Now the time has come. We have to acknowledge that a politician who is struggling, he is also requiring a status and earning. A industrialist who is struggling, he is also requiring a status and the earning, because sales should be done, then only industrial work will proceed. because the demand and supply will meet, because demand can be anything but money is required, and supply can be anything because the supplier supply strong will is required, then only where they will meet equilibrium point will come. Similarly, we have to understand that on that point where we are signaturing, that will be our equilibrium employment point in democracy. And we political parties should understand the Labour Party of India fist of the hand. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga Bihar. No vote bank is affected. No vote bank is affected. We have been working in the Bihar and all over India on this concept, and all the political party, first of all Labour Party of India, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me, and the fist of the hand, and the all political party of India, that is 31st August 1885, the Indian National Congress, our Honorable President Sonia Gandhi, and palm of the hand Bharatiya Janata Party, our Honorable President JP Nadda, and our means sign lotus sign, and the All India Trinamool Congress Honorable President Mamata Banerjee, and the symbol, flower symbol, and then the Bahujan Samaj Party Honorable President Mayawati, and the sign elephant, the Communist Party of India Honorable President D. Raja, and the symbol crop and sickle. Then the Communist Party of Marxist, the Honorable President Sitaram Yechuri, and hammer and sickle, the election symbol, and the Honorable the National People Party Honorable President P.S. Sangma, and the symbol book, and the National Congress Party Honorable President Sharad Pawar, and the symbol watch, and and then the Shiv Sena Honorable President Uddhav Thackeray, and the election symbol Tir Dhanush, and the Janata Dal United Honorable President Nitish Kumar, and the election symbol Tir, and the arrow, and the Rashtriya Janata Dal Honorable President Tejasvi Yadav, and the symbol Lalten, the Samajwadi Party Honorable President Akhilesh Yadav, and the symbol cycle, the Telugu Desam Party Honorable President N. Chandrababu Naidu, and the symbol cycle, and the then the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha Honorable President Shibu Soren and Hemant Soren, and the symbol Tir Dhanush, and the Jananayak Janata Party Honorable President Dushyant Chautala, and the symbol Ki, and the Dravid Mukti Kargam, that is Honorable President M.K. Stalin, and the symbol sunrise, and the Biju Janata Dal Honorable President Naveen Patnaik, and the symbol the Shankh, and the Assam Gan Parishad Honorable President Atul Bora, and the election symbol elephant, all Jharkhand Student Union Honorable President Suresh Mehto, and the symbol banana, the All India Anna Dravid Mukti Kargam Honorable President Q Paneerselvam, and the symbol leaf, and the Aam Aadmi Party Honorable President Arvind Kejriwal, and the election symbol the broomstick, and the Janata Dal secular Honorable President H. Dev Gowda, and the women in crop election symbol Kerala Congress Honorable President Josh K. Mani, and the election symbol leaf, and all the political party, democratic political party, you can understand the uniform concept, because we as here by the organized self-employment ministry, what we will do is that we will make a system of document, and we will put the Ramayan, Vishnu Puran, and the Bhagavad Gita, that is belonging from Vaikuntha. Shiv Puran we will put from the Kailas Dham, that is belong from Kailas. We will put as Rashtrapati Bhavan, Shiv Puran, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Vaikuntha Puran, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Satya, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is the ISBN Puran, the 12 Jyotir book, and all the book ISBN, doctor and engineering, IITs, all the books in that form. That is because the education is required for the development, and my political party and we can uniformly say educational certificate in capital, because human capital formation is required. So on that basis, Brahma Saraswati Puran, and ISBN Puran. Then the women Puran, that is the Durga Saptati and Devi Bhag. Then the truth saviors, that is each Varshkit, Birla Varshkit, and all the Varshkit, north, south, east, west, because we are the sons and daughters of the god and goddess, and we are representing here in different mandir form and different pujas Hindus, and therefore 108 Upanishad and 18 Puran and 4 Vedas are there. So we are the sons of this. So fifth family, and our Constitution of India from 31st August 1946, where our politician did not ask that welfare work also required money, because we are trying to put constitutional validity on it, because our concept is new. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736077. Here 6 room, and try to understand the democratic concept, because new development is there. One family is industrial and automatically getting job. One family is devoted politician, but the MP and MLA becoming, it takes lot of struggle. So we are trying to put the concept constitutional validity on income work from the 31st August on the equilibrium point. Try to understand Amiteshwarism and Amitvad, and Amiteshwar Jhavad and the Amit Kumar Jhavad, because when we are going at work in an private sector office, we are given this job and this get. Here also, by the constitutional validity, as a politician, we are giving constitutional validity on income by this fiscal. It can be according to the political party, honorable name, what I have told, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, whatever validity we are giving on the income, work and educational certificate. Automatically it will be a proud movement of that person from 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years. Any eventuality is coming in the family, like father death, mother death, any types of this, automatically at 18 years he will require the money, she will require the money at marriage. So in that way, automatically in school only, self-funding, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credits, and at 18 pension is getting. And here we are starting work, 1 rupees if we are getting, 1 Anna we are getting, automatically ministry benefit, and all is control of 750 MPs, 750 multinational corporation, Hindus, 750 educationists, scientists and lawyers, and the press reporters and the editor of India, 750 women of India, 750 truth and non-violence, 750 the government in. Automatically, by the democratic system, by the document system, we are calling it 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 6 government house. Our political vote bank is not disturbed. No one is disturbing. Means it is a constitutional duty. We are making the murti of the Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita Krishnata, that is Vaikuntha Dham. We are making the murti of the Chaturanand and the Veena Pustak Dharani. We are making the murti of the Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-veto husband Shiva. We are making the murti of Varshkit, the Charu Veda, the 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, means 1 god and goddess we are putting, and 1 Bharat Mata and Bharat Devi. 6 family we are becoming. We are putting 20 crore Aadhaar card, because we are 120 crore population. And in the pick and choosing of the employment, we are choosy, because we want a quality work. Because as a private sector business investor or as a politician, we want a quality work, because our political party will have vote bank, our signature will be known. So we can signature it in the organized self-employment ministry in the lieu of 31st August 1946 by seeing the Clement Attlee document. No vote bank is changed, nothing is changed, and we are contributing to the society. And in this way, the establishment that politician also require when it is making. Suppose 31st August 2001, I started Labour Party of India, Fist of the Man. If I am not earning, that means the status will come after 30 years, 40 years. But if we are making the system of a constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, that means from the day first I will start earning from this fiscal credit. Who has made? Our political brothers and sisters has made. Who has made? Our multinational corporation has made. Who has made? Our scientists, our educationists, our press, our editors, our press reporters, our lawyers, our women, our truth and non-violence, our government has made. We have to understand that devotion can come. We can become human capital, because 1 rupee support is self-reliance is coming. What will happen? Document. And we are belonging from the 6th family by the signature of all the political party president in a democratic manner, not by any pressure, because a pressure is not required, because it is internal heart. What is good and what is bad we are knowing. As a politician, as an industrialist, as an educationist, as a IITian, as a doctor, as we are knowing everything, because everything is known to everyone. What is the position of India and what is the position of me, everyone is knowing. We have to understand what is the position of Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736070. Everyone everyone is doing. So we have to understand that this document path will be remembered as self-employment government job, and we will contribute to the society because constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate in democratic way we are giving. Whoever is the prime minister or chief minister, we are contributing because 40 to 60% is regularly coming for the election when the election is announced, and when we will go to our constituency, we are giving self-employment government job. And in that organized self-employment ministry, we will keep the political chambers and the industrial chambers and the educationist, scientist, and the press reporter, and the editors, and the lawyers chambers, and the women chambers, and the truth and non-violence chambers, and the government chambers as 6 unborn families of Amit Kumar Jas, Sardapur, Lonar, or Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847200, room number 1 to 6, and 31st August 1946 fantasy, where the claimant document is coming with the 15 certificate and the 299 certificate constitution we have made. On that constitution only we are making 3 budget: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment. Our sons and daughters 1 ana, 2 ana, whatever the according to qualification we are being giving, and self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing finance commission we will make, and we can increase 1 ana, 2 ana by this according to the vote, because vote bank is clearly clear, because we are the sons and daughters of the 6 unborn families. Shiv Shakti, that is welfare power. Vishnu Lakshmi, that is life money. Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and non-beaten husband, that is Durga and the Shiva. The each united Varshkrit god and goddess, that is the 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, and 4 Vedas, and the different Varshkrit all over India, different festival and different custom of Hindus, and different Gram Devtas, and the government. We are all organized, and we all are safety, because when we will see each other, we are all self-employed, fiscal credit is there, and signature we have given with the 6 unborn family from 31st August 1946, and private sector can also make 30,000 above and 30,000 below law, because 70% of the voters are below 30,000 per month. We can strictly check by the organized self-employment income tax office. Automatically it can be checked at the time of presentation of organized self-employment ministry. 1 ana if we are increasing, because if I can judge the imagine the concept that on the 31st August 1946 20 rupees was the employment equilibrium point. Now when Nehru ji took over as Prime Minister of India, it became 30 rupees per month under, because the Hindus and we all Hindus of 6 unborn family became our self-ruler, and gradually now when I am trying to put Labour Party of India fist of the hand with 6 unborn family, because this has been from the time immemorial. We have been married all over India. Our family members are spread all over India, and we are working in different sectors. By the document system, what we are doing, we are making a system in which constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate is being given validated. A illiterate chamber and the signature 1000 rupees difference is there. We can increase and decrease according to our budget, because automatically our family members will be influenced that the educational certificate is capital value. We have the family commission, we are also doing business, we can also have double salary on that basis, because by the self-earning, self-work, certain, and whatever we are following, that is also free. Only by the documents system we will be attached to it. So in this way what will happen, we will generate a concept of unity, because in family by the social contract we are linked to each other. Liberty, equality, fraternity is the life of each other, but organized constitutional validity of income and work is also life. And we are married also, we want to marry in a high profile society, and we want to live as organized, because our in-laws will be also organized, we will be also organized, we will have more happy future, because our educational certificate will improve. We can, so many people has become engineers and doctors in the working class also, because economy has not been on that level. And in this document system, by 1 ana, 2 ana, 3 ana, 4 ana, 5 ana, 10 ana, 11 ana, 12 ana setting, automatically we can make, because preamble wise organized self-employed chief minister and the prime minister, as well as the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs, and the industries, multinational corporation, the education is the scientists, the lawyers, and the and the press reporter editors are knowing how much the preamble wise organized is giving, because equilibrium point will be announced every time, and in this way we will have a vivacious economy, and we can improve our neck also, because it is in our hand. Because if we will see the photo of we all political party, honorable political party president will see, we can do welfare, because our forefathers have worked for the welfare of the humanity, because in those days this was not required, because the employment was easy, but now it has become difficult, and our earning is also required, because if we are putting the Aadhaar card in front of the Kailash Dham, Baikund Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham on the 31st August 1946 principle, socialist pattern of society, means we are putting 20 20 20 20 20 20, means 120 crore Aadhaar card we are putting equally. In looking it is good, but the talent wise it is different, because the educational qualification and the talent of a one person is different from the other person. That is why one person is multinational corporation and one person is following other. So we have to understand this point, and when we are understanding this, automatically our vote bank will be safe, because nothing is changing only by the document system, we are adopting it. And in front of the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and the Brahma Saraswati Puran, the Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Puran, each united God and Goddess Puran, that is Varshkrit, and the government Constitution of India, 6 Murti we are making, and automatically if we will give Pushpanjali as the political president, automatically all our junior member will start following, because we have the already followers, and automatically if we will tell it now, we are becoming self-employed government servant, and our vote bank is seen in that. And at the election time, before 6 months, we can start speaking against each other, because we want to earn as a vote bank, because everyone wants to become chief minister and prime minister, MPs and MLAs. In that time we can speak, but after election automatically it will be, as we have the World Cup fever of cricket and World Cup fever of tennis, Wimbledon and other types of things, we can also have a sportive method, because we are knowing each other, and family members we are knowing as 70% and 30%. In one family, one person is IAS or the multinational corporation sales manager, like this, but the rest are constant. So if we can support each other in this way, our movement, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 84740, mobile number 639736077 will be benefited, and we all will be benefited by signaturing. Automatically we will be able to make a self-employment. And for illiterate class, we will put the Trishul and Vermilion bank, that is Shiv Parvati, they are knowing, and the Chakra and the Vermilion mark, that is Vishnu Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi, they are knowing, that is Kamandal, and the Vermilion mark, that is Brahma Saraswati, they are knowing, that the Saraswati Veena Pustak Dharani Saraswati is there, and the Trinetra and the Vermilion mark, that is Durga, they are knowing, and the Varshkrit and the Vermilion mark, that is the Hindu Varshkrit. Many types of pujas we are following in different Vaishnavas and Shivites, and the government symbol, that is our government of India symbol. Automatically 6 family member illiterate will also understand the contribution is coming from our efforts, because we are making organized system, and nothing will change and everything will change, because self-employment government, we are knowing the worker we are putting is getting 1 rupees or 1 anna from the chief minister, and the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs by the unity meter. In Gandhism we do not put the constitutional validity on income, but Amiteshwarism, Amiteshwar Jha and Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 8474007, mobile number 639736077, we are putting the full constitutional validity, and we are directly connected to the Sardapur, Lonar, room number 126 all over India, and we are moving on that by the document method. We have to understand the constitutional validity on income work. We as honorable political party president, we can do it, because it is a hard concept. A hard concept is always understanding. When the nationalism fever was there, our ancestors were putting their money for what? That we will furl our flag, and our sons and daughters, our forefathers have furled, our seniors are furling the national flag as chief minister, as prime minister, and taking the salami of the guard of honor of the Hindus who have been working in all the profession, as an industrialist, as a politician, as a educationist, as a IITian, as a doctor, as a teacher, as a professor, as a MBA, IBM professors, as a press reporter, as an editor, as a lawyer, as a woman of India, as a as a truth and non-violence as a government employee. We are taking this element. We can put this six symbol on our head, on our soldier, and automatically we can become self-employed government servant. We have to understand Labour Party of India fist of the hand. We have to generate enthusiasm. We have to generate nationalism. We have to sign the document and put in front, and we have to make 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 6 Governor House attached to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan 26 January 1950 and 1 Governor House, and we automatically become self-employed, and automatically we will be able to form this. So on that basis I am concluding this session, this 41 session, and I am trying to conclude with the worship of the Kailash Dham, that is Shiv Puran, that is 12 Jyotir Mandir and the 175 Shiv Mandir all over India, and Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran, and 12 Jyotir Mandir of Vishnu, Prabhu Lakshmi, and Pushpanjali and the worship hand, and Brahma Saraswati Pranam, that is Chaturanand, and the Veena Pustak Dharani, and the law education, and the ISBN certificate with truth only terms 81901860 as copyright number 954/03/CUL on the basis of constitutional validity of Pushpanjali and Pranam, and the Adi Shakti Jagadamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, and the 12 Jyotir Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess. That is the 108 Upanishad and the 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, and all the rituals all over India, north, south, east, west, central India as Hindus, and Midhala Varshkrit, and part 1, part 2, and Pushpanjali, and each united, and the Constitution of India commencing from 31st August 1946 with 15 members and the 299 members, and all the Constitutional Committee and the Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, Pushpanjali. With that, in democratic way, we are able to form organized self-employment ministry with the concept of Labour Party of India. Thank you.